Lesson note number 18, Chapter 11, Average. The coverage of this lesson note: Understanding Average, learn number 4 and learn number 5. This lesson note is taken from your pupil's book, page 79 to 80. I encourage everyone to answer the pages, okay, or the questions in our pupil's book as you watch this lesson notes. Big idea: the average of the set of data is between the smallest data and the largest data. Let's begin with Learn 4. Learn 4 is all about finding the average of a data in a bar graph. Let's look at this example taken from page 79. The bar graph shows the number of runners in a marathon over the last 5 years. What was the average number of runners over the last 5 years? When you are answering a question like this, try to identify or label your bar graph first. Okay? So, 2012 is 5,000. Okay, 2013, 8,000. How about 2014? 9,000. 2015, 6,000. And 2016 is 4,000. So to get the average number of runners, I will add 500 plus 8,000. 5,000 plus 8,000 plus 9,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,000 and divide it by 5. You will get 6,400. Try 4. Pause this video and try the question. Play it to check your answer. Time to reveal the answer. The bar graph shows the number of visitors who visited the MC Heritage Center over the last 5 months. What was the average number of visitors over the last 5 months? Identify the value for every month. January, 250. February, 300. The interval is 50. Very good. How did I get the interval? 200 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 is 50. Okay. March, 950. April, 300. And May, 200. So, add 250 plus 300 plus 950 plus 300 plus 200 is equal to 2,000. After that, divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2,000 divided by 5 is 400. We're done with Learn 4. Time for us to understand the topic related to Learn 5. Learn 5 is finding the average of a data in a line graph. Let's look at this example taken from your pupil's book, page 80. The line graph shows the daily rainfall in a city over 4 days. What was the average daily rainfall over the 4 days? So, identify the data first. Okay, this is 0.2. Okay, 0.2. This is 2. This is 1.6. And this is 0.8. So from 0 to 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 divided by 5 is 0.2. 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and 1. 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, and then 2. Alright? So 0.2 plus 2 plus 1.6 plus 0.8 divided by 4 will give you 1.15 centimeter. So the average daily rainfall over the 4 days was 1.15 centimeter. Try 5. Pause this video and try the question. Play it to check your answer. Okay, time to reveal the answer. The line graph shows a baby's mass from January to June. What was the baby's average mass from January to June? Okay, so identify the details. January is 2.5. How about February? Great, 3.5. How about March? Amazing, that's 5. How about for April? 6. How about for May? 8. And what's our data for June? 9.5. So, we can write this as 2.5 plus 3.5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9.5 over 6 or divided by 6. So, you will get 34.5 over 6. So 34.5 divided by 6 is 5.75 kilograms. The baby's average mass was 5.7 kilograms. That ends our lesson note number 18, all about Learn 4 and Learn 5. Thank you for listening.